Hello everyone, myself Khushi. I'm a law student in IME Law College and I'm here as a legal intern in very reputed law firm LEXIS and Company. So guys, today we are going to discuss the topic of Bar Council of India, its power and its functions. So let's begin with this topic. The Bar Council of India is a body corporates having perpetual succession and a common seal with the power to acquire the whole property with both movable, immovable, and to contract. And it may be by the name by which is known as sue and sued. The Section 1 of Advocate Act 1961, Section 30 of the uh, Advocate Act 1961 makes it clear that no act done by the Bar Council or the committee therefore shall be called the question on the grounds merely of the existence of any vacancy or in defects of the Constitution Council or a committee in case of the Section 13 the Advocate Act 1961. The Section 7 of Advocate Act 1961 provides that the function of the Bar Council of India shall be it lay down the standard profession, conduct and replicate for advocates. It lay down the procedure to follow the disciplinary committee and a disciplinary committee of each state council. The safeguard of the rights, privileges and interests of the advocates. It promotes and supports the law reforms. It deal with the dispose of any matters arising under this act which may be referred to be by the State Bar Council. To exercise general supervision and control over the bar councils, to promote legal education and lay down the standard of this each education consultants with the universities in India imparting such education and the state bar council to recognize universities whose degree in law shall be qualification for enrollment as an advocate and that the purpose to visit and inspect the universities or cause the state bar councils to visit and inspect the universities in the accordance of such directions as it may given in this behalf. Next is to conduct seminars and organize conferences on legal topics and emanate the jurists and publish the journals and a paper of which is related to the legal interest. To recognize on an reciprocal basis foreign qualification in law obtained outside India for the purpose of admission as an advocate under this act to manage and invest the funds of the Bar Council of India and to manage the invest funds of the Bar Council to perform all the other functions conferred on it by the under this act to do all things necessary for discharge the aforesaid the functions. Section 7A of the Advocate Act 1961 makes it clear that the Bar Council of India may become a membership of international legal bodies such as the International Bar Association and International Legal Aid Association contribute such some of its things fit to the such bodies by the way of subscription of the other or otherwise and authorize the expenditure on the participation of its representatives in any international legal conference and seminars. Section 7(2) of the Advocate Act provides that the Bar Council of India may constitute one and more funds in a prescribed manner for the purpose of giving financial assistance to organize welfare schemes for the indigent, disabled and other advocates and giving legal aid or advice according with the rule made on this behalf, establishing law libraries. This is the purpose which is prescribed in the Section 7(2) of Advocate Act. It may receive any grant, donates, gifts, benefits For all any other purpose specified above, such grant, donation, etc., and shall be credited to be appropriated funds constituted under the subsection. However, the important powers and function of Bar Council of India, which is the admission of the advocates, appointment of committee and staff members, maintenance of accounts, etc., rule making power, and power to punish the professional and other misconduct, and the last is the appellant power. So this is the powers of the Bar Council of India, and the function that we were discussed previously. So this is some powers and the functions of Bar Council of India. So guys, hope you like this video. If you have any question inquiry, then you have to ask me in a comment box. I will give my best to answer it. A very thank you to all to watching this video.